In the world of education, the interactive whiteboard stands as a technological marvel, transforming traditional classrooms into dynamic hubs of interactive learning. A colossal display connected to a computer, the interactive whiteboard allows users to engage with the content using a stylus, fingers, or other input devices. But how does this powerful tool shape the landscape of teaching and learning? Educators harness the potential of interactive whiteboards to create captivating lessons, seamlessly blending multimedia elements like images, videos, and simulations. The result? A more engaging learning experience that captures students' attention. Real-time collaboration takes center stage as interactive whiteboards enable multiple users to interact simultaneously, fostering group activities and collaborative learning. Teachers leverage digital annotations to emphasize key points and solve problems in real time, adding a visual and interactive dimension to complex topics. The interactive whiteboard extends its influence beyond the physical classroom, providing access to a plethora of online resources. With internet connectivity, teachers seamlessly integrate educational websites, interactive games, and other online content into lessons. Students, in turn, embrace the interactive whiteboard for digital note-taking, drawing diagrams, jotting down ideas, and collaborating with peers during brainstorming sessions. But how does the interactive whiteboard support assessment? The answer lies in its versatility, from instant quizzes and polls for formative assessment to conducting virtual simulations and experiments. The interactive whiteboard becomes a dynamic tool for evaluating students' understanding. Digital storytelling and presentations showcase students' communication skills, while self-assessment tools integrated into the interactive whiteboard enable students to reflect on their learning progress. Yet, every innovation brings its set of challenges. Technical glitches, calibration errors, limited access, and a learning curve for teachers can hinder the seamless integration of interactive whiteboards into classrooms. The dynamic nature of interactive whiteboards also poses the risk of distractions, requiring students to stay focused during the interactive lessons and use the tools for educational purposes. In conclusion, the story of the interactive whiteboard is one of transformation and challenges. As we navigate this landscape, a dramatic question remains: how will we continue to harness the benefits of interactive whiteboards while overcoming the hurdles, ensuring that these interactive marvels truly enhance the educational journey?